still have the people in the back. I love that.
Of course they have their pumpkins in the back, because Jack is the Pumpkin King. Kidnap the Sandy Claus. I don't know what they call it, but I call it, Britt's,
Christmas Manor.
Wicked Christmas, I guess. Christmas Manor, I don't know. But it's so nice. I thought they just like left up the display and, you know, put some lights up. No, it is full on Disney Haunted Mansion Nightmare Before Christmas, and I love it. I'm sad though, the Oogie Boogie's in the crypt. Aw, R.I.P. the voice actor. They even have the presents, that's so cool. Aw, they took their pumpkins and put a hat on it. That's so cool. The lights in there, that's really neat.
Come on into the lab and we'll get you all fixed up.
And there's Jack putting the lights up. So cool.
Oh, perfectly marvelous. Curiosity kills the cat, you know.
Be nice to cats.
Poisoned me for the last time, you wretched girl.
It's so cool. And of course, they have the projection. It fits like the whole house. Oh, that's so neat. It's all themed to stuff on the top and on the side. That's so neat.
Hardly as strange as it is. See?
Oh, the wall. How pretty. Oop, I'm right in the projection. There we go. Holiday projection hours. Very nice. Very nice. It's probably on the other side too. And there's Sally.
While I go over my books. Oh, and here's another bundle of shirts for you.
And their neighbors are all festive too. So many houses decorated here. Oh, it's so nice. Love it, love it. Spectacular job as always. Come on down, check it out.